Hey everyone, hope you people are doing good. Welcome to today's video. Do you want to know about Verlius.com? Watch the video till then because today we are going to give you unbiased review on this website. So let's check out the details. And the first is what is Verlier.com. It is an online shopping website only for women who are keen on trendy and stylish outfit and modern and attractive dresses. There are very few products available currently, including some dressy tops only. So let's check out the specification of this website. This domain age is only 16 days, like it was issued on 7th July 2021. As far as official address is concerned, they have mentioned the official address. It is United based state based. Moreover, email address is concerned, they have mentioned the email address which is matching their domain name, which is a good sign. Payment method which they are accepting is only PayPal. There is no evidence of social media promotion or promotion on any other platform for this website, and products available are dresses and tops. So the positive point of shopping from this store are the dresses in this websites are very imposing and they provide the latest outfit for female customer. There is a good description of every product available. The user interface contained with alluring design and is also customer friendly. They allege to refund within 1 to 2 days and mode of payment except here is PayPal. They also do have a service of free shipping. The negative point of shopping from this store are for customer they have a restless exchange policy, poor customer support service. They only offers uh, and discounts are not recognized on the website. The website does not have daily traffic as their domain is new. There are no customer reviews available at this time. As far as your like personal information is concerned, your personal information can be used by them which cannot be saved for you. So the question is Verlier is legit? As we are discussing certain parameters, we are going to check out it in details. So first score is very poor, which is just 2%. Alexa ranking is not available because it is a very new website. As far as content is concerned, the content presented in the website also seems to be plagiarized. They have mentioned the contact number. If you need to contact the customer service, you can contact via email address or the mentioned number. So in our final verdict, we can say that as it is a newly created website with a merged trust score and not popular product, furthermore we can neither identify any social media presence or any customer review regarding Verliers.com. So it's great that you possess a creative analytic mind and do your own research before investing in such kind of suspicious website. From our side, we are not recommending you to shop from this store.